spread strategy. Welcome back everybody. We will be now discussing bearish spread strategy using calls or puts. Now to know that any bearish spread strategy will involve selling an option at a lower strike price and simultaneously buying an option at a higher strike price, whether we do it with calls or puts. However, a bearish spread strategy is better associated if we do it with puts. So let's have a look at a bearish put spread strategy with the help of this example.
The example over here, Nifty spot is trading at 10,360 currently. These are the different strike prices which are available, and these are the put option premiums and these are the call option premiums. So we would be doing a bear spread strategy using put option. So we sell a put option at a lower strike price and we buy a put option at a higher strike price. So in this example, we sell a put option of 10,350 strike price, receiving a premium of 95 rupees. So P minus at 10,350, premium is 95, and simultaneously we buy a put option at 10,450 strike price, paying a premium of 147 rupees. So P plus at 10,450, paying a premium of 147 rupees. So from this we can see that we have to be a net payer of premium. Net premium, there will be an outflow at the time of the strategy, which is 147 rupees minus 95, which comes to 52. This 52 rupees will be our maximum loss from this strategy. Let us look at the payoffs. Say these are the different spot prices on expiry. Say if the price is at 10,550, that means if the spot price goes against our expectation of being mildly bearish on the underlying asset, what happens? 10,350 put option is lapse. We receive a premium of 95 rupees. 10,450 put option simultaneously also gets lapped. We had paid a premium of 147. So net loss would be 147 minus 95, which is 52 rupees. Now if the price falls from 10,360 to 10,250 on expiry, what happens? 10,350 put option gets exercised and the loss arising from this particular option leg would be 5 rupees. Simultaneously 10,450 put option also gets exercised, so the profit earned from this option leg is 53 rupees, giving a total profit from the strategy is 48 rupees. 53 minus 5, which will be 48. Now let us have a look at the payoff diagram over here. As we can see that if the price goes below 10,350, we have a fixed income, fixed profit of 48 rupees, and as the price keeps on going higher above 10,450, we have a fixed loss of 52 rupees. So this strategy has a fixed loss and fixed profit. So the maximum loss which can be incurred from this strategy would be the net premium outflow, which is 147 minus 95, giving it a total of 52 rupees. The maximum profit would be the spread minus maximum loss. So the spread is 100 rupees, 10,450 minus 10,350. Spread is 100 minus the maximum loss. Maximum loss is 52. So our maximum profit from this strategy is 48. And the break-even point from this strategy will be higher strike price minus the maximum loss. So 10,450 minus maximum loss of 52 rupees, which gives an amount of 10,398. So at 10,398, our PL will be 0. As the spot price falls below 10,398 on expiry, we start incurring a profit. Thank you.